Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you speed up in Premiere Pro. So here you can see the video is quite slow here, and if you want to make this speed higher than usual, then just click on it, right click on here, and here you can see speed duration, this option, click on it, and here you can see it is 100%, that means it's normal. And if you make it like 300, it will be more faster than before. Just like click on OK, and you can just watch the video. Here you can see it is faster than before. You can make it more faster if you want. Just right click again on the video clip, and again on the speed duration, just like make it 600, and click on OK, and just watch the video. Here you can see it is faster and way faster than before. So guys, that's how you can speed up in Premiere Pro. Hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.